Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde, working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see the subject engineering drawing having subject code 22207. This subject is for semester 2 of mechanical engineering. And the name of chapter 6 is freehand sketches and conventional representation. So in this chapter we will see various freehand sketches, their conventional representation and application. So first is rope pulley. So rope pulleys are circular in cross section, as we will see this figure. The groove angle of pulley is given as 90 degree, as there are 4 rope drives. Then concrete. Concrete is used in construction. So this is the symbol or freehand sketch of concrete. Then packing and insulating materials. So these are like porcelain, stoneware, marble, slate, etc., which is used for packing and insulation. Then spot weld and single butt weld, single U butt weld is given. So first of all we will see what is welding joint. So welding joint is a point or edge where 2 or more pieces of any metal are joined together. In that we will join 2 or more workpieces or 2 or more metals together by welding. So this is about spot weld and single U butt weld symbols. Then we will see single headed feather key. Then flexible coupling. So coupling is a mechanical device which is used to connect 2 shafts. So coupling is used to connect 2 shafts. And in flexible coupling, each shaft is keyed to the flange, and the flanges are coupled together with the help of bolt. So there are 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts we can use. Then double riveted zigzag lap joint. So lap joints, generally in lap joints, plates are overlapped with each other. So here we can see plates are overlapped with each other. See here. And in double riveted zigzag lap joint, 2 rows of rivets are used. Then this is a symbol of glass and concrete, already we have seen. Then next is double U butt and single bevel butt. So remember these symbols for drawing freehand sketches. Then we will see castle nut and eye foundation bolt. So generally nuts are used for joining. Now in eye foundation bolts, one end of bolt is forged into eye and cross piece is fixed. here. Now what is foundation bolt? So foundation bolts are used for fixing the machine on foundation. Fixing the machine on foundation. Then there is a Lewis foundation bolt. So in Lewis foundation bolt is fixed in its position by inserting a key on free opposite tapering face. So we can remove it easily with the help of a key. In double riveted lap joint, 2 rows of rivets are used. We can see here. Now rack foundation bolt. This rack foundation bolt consists of tapered body. We can see here tapered body or square or rectangular in cross section, and tapered edges are being grooved. This I foundation bolt is set first in lead and then in cement concrete. Then we will see double strap butt joint. Now what is butt joint? So in butt joint, 2 plates are joined against each other with the help of a cover plate or strap, and these joints are used for joining thick plate. We can see in this figure of double strap butt joint, only one cover strap is used and 1 row of rivets is used in each plate. Now next, muff coupling. First we will understand coupling. So coupling is a mechanical device which is used to connect 2 shafts, and the shafts are coupled by collinear axis or intersecting axis or parallel axis and having a small distance between them. So muff coupling consists of hollow cylinder whose inner diameter is same as the diameter of shaft. Now this is the freehand sketch of wood, plywood, etc. Then this is for metals like steel, cast iron, copper alloys, aluminum and aluminum alloys. Then steel and rubber. So this rubber symbol, which consists of asbestos, fiber, felt, synthetic resin products, paper, leather, rubber, wax, insulating and filling materials. So all these materials we will use this symbol or this freehand sketch, and this is for removed section. So all these freehand sketches are asked in exam. With their different applications and symbols. Thank you.